Thanks to the boom of ChatGPT and its capabilities, the topic of how and when artificial intelligence might impact our jobs and careers has come to the forefront of people's minds. The scary question on everyone's mind is, will AI take my job? In this video, we'll explore the answer to this question. In short, the answer to the question is yes, AI will replace some jobs. But what kind of jobs are at risk? Any tasks that can be learned and automated are at risk of being replaced by AI. Jobs such as insurance underwriting, warehouse and manufacturing jobs, customer service, research and data entry, long-haul trucking, and radiologists are some examples of jobs that are at risk. Chatbots have already taken over online customer service roles. AI-powered robot lawyers will soon be representing defendants in court. Developments in generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard will replace jobs that involve writing. And technology like Midjourney and DALL-E are producing work worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. What does this mean for us? However, tasks that require adaptability, flexibility, and a strong human element are harder for technology to replace. So, jobs that require empathy, creativity, and strategic thinking are less likely to be automated. It is important to keep in mind that similar disruption has happened before, like the spread of computers and more advanced machines in factories. History has shown that while jobs are lost to new technology, other roles are created in their place. Where these things matter is whether it increases the value of human expertise or whether it mostly substitutes for it. Outsourcing work to chatbots isn't necessarily a job killer. It should free up human workers to focus on more thoughtful and profitable work. Some view AI as a tool, while others view it as a threat. However, we can take comfort in the fact that some jobs will never be replaced by AI. From creative fields to empathic jobs as well as complex political and strategic jobs, robots and AI will take some jobs away from humans, but will also create new ones. It's unlikely that AI will ever match the authentic creativity of humans. In fact, it is predicted that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025, with a demand for workers in robotics and software engineering. Our jobs can be aided by the advancement of AI in the future, but we can take comfort in knowing that AI and robots cannot replicate the empathy and social intelligence that some fields require. We need to adapt, and that includes educating, upskilling, and reskilling ourselves. In conclusion, while AI may take away some jobs, it will also create new ones. We should embrace these advancements and adapt to the changing job market. It's up to us to prepare for the future of work.